Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to download Akiflow on iOS. So this is going to become particularly useful for individuals who already have Akiflow, but actually want like a built-in app to use on their MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, or even on their iMac. So be sure to stick around just because this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple and straight to the point. So let's go ahead and get started. So first what you're going to do is Google Akiflow Mac OS download. And then you're going to click on this first link here that says download. This is the page that you're actually going to reach. So if you actually want to type it into your URL search bar, it's akiflow.com/download. Now, when you scroll down, you're going to see this option to download the Mac OS. So just click on download for Mac OS and then simply just follow the prompts. So this right here is the best and easiest way that I found to actually go ahead and download Akiflow for Mac or iOS. And this is what it looks like. So this is the entire application of Akiflow, and what I really love about it are the system hotkeys. So if I click on Option Spacebar, I can instantly add a task and I can instantly add a new event. So if you know of a better or easier way to actually download Akiflow for iOS, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Take care.